trying to do some farm things today. We got Dad down at the house on the country clipper. Lined everything up for Gavin to use the Hustler Fast Track, but don't matter how many times I try to teach that boy how to use that damn thing, he don't pay enough attention. But he's got it going now, and hopefully don't hit nothing. But I guess I'm gonna be running the weed eat the deep eater, so I'm gonna get to that. Hopefully he don't tear nothing up. That's all Poppy T's mower. Poppy T be kind of mad. I think it decided to get a little warm, but it's also extremely humid right now. We got a storm rolling in here in another couple of hours, so we're just trying to get done what we can. But I got a lot done around the trailer back in there. Oh. Now we can kind of see what we need to do. All these trees probably get cut out sometime this year, all that cleaned up. But the trailer really isn't much count. It leaks and it's messed up and ain't nothing in it. It's just some of the guys kind of camp in it and come deer season. But I'd like to get this completely going and build like a little tiny house right here or something. Well, Home Depot sheds or whatever. That'd be neat. But I can't afford it. Not with the way everything is right now. Even before then it'd be hard, but I don't know if I could help from y'all. Got people watch videos and everything, get monetized, and y'all can help me pay for it, because I sure can't do it by myself. But needless to say, now it's time to head down to the house and the lake and get everything we did down there, and this will do for now. Maybe next time I come down I can do a little more. All right, well, we got mowing done, weed eating done. Even messed around with the flow tractor. They've been spitting out some coolant, so changed radiator cap, that seemed to be fixed yet. Riding the Ranger now. It overheated last time we rode it. I cleaned the radiator out some. Person we got it from used it, so had some mud stuck in it. It seems to be doing all right, but I don't know if you can see back there. We got a pretty good storm rolling in. So I had to hurry up and try to get some things done. Dad got a door put on the barn and a few other little things. So we're gonna hurry up and get loaded up. I'd like to call it today. Try to get out here before it starts pissing and pouring. So until the next one, y'all have a good one.